Hello children, let's learn the vegetable's name. This is tomato. This vegetable is onion. This vegetable is carrot. This vegetable is cucumber. This vegetable is cabbage. This vegetable is broccoli. This vegetable is corn. This vegetable is brinjal and eggplant. This vegetable is cauliflower. This vegetable is peas. This vegetable is chilli. This vegetable is ginger. This vegetable is spinach. This vegetable is ladyfinger. This vegetable is capsicum. This vegetable is potato.
Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe!